Hello and welcome to another daily dose of destiny. I'm just here eating food. And my lovely dog. Let me chew. My lovely dogs. The beggars. As you can tell, look. How horrible that is. Look at that. Look at how, oh my goodness, you're a bad beggar. And there's Lonnie, the little doggy. And there's Mama Dog, Lucy. And she's a bad beggar too. I'm not doing much today. I stayed up all night to finish the Comic-Con video. And I'm a little tired. So, not much in this vlog today. Sorry about that. But I gave you some cute dogs. Look. Oh my goodness. Will she ever give me some bread? Will you ever give me some bread? I'm a starving dog. I never eat. Oh. Just kidding. Alright, I'll see you guys on another Daily Dose of Destiny. Bye.